it clean.
Hey, welcome to Beach Jerky.
It's game day, and I need some snacks. I need some jerky.
That's all I'm saying. Is that get you a bag? Is that what you want? Get you a bag.
Yeah, so I need some snacks, but I'll tell you what I really love when I go to a ball game is chicken wings. I love me some good old-fashioned chicken wings. But man, I don't want to deal with the grease and the mess and the bones and all that. Can you help me?
Tailgating time with some chicken wing. Get you a bag.
Well, I think I'm all ready to check out with my chicken wing. I'm ready to go again. So I buy 4 and I get all for free.
You get 1 for free.
I
Buy
got
4.
Okay, so I got all this. I got 5 bags of jerky for $25. I got meat for one of my buddy. I got one for the dog. I got one for Biily.
Roll Tide. Man, I just can't leave this place. I gotta be here, man. Somebody's always gotta keep an eye on the boat. You know, that's what the captain says. I gotta keep an eye on the boat. So that's what I'm gonna do. Keep an eye on the boat. But I gotta watch my game, man. I gotta watch the game.